I'm gonna show you how to make the best juicy roast chicken. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a delicious roast chicken. I'm gonna serve this chicken with mouth-watering garlic cheese fries and a really nice salad that's gonna have a vinaigrette dressing. Trust me, this is one of the best chicken that you're gonna try. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, we're gonna start with our spice mix. With the cayenne pepper and with the red chili. Garlic granules, or you could use the powder. For some earthy flavor, I'm using ground allspice. And with paprika, with a freshly ground black pepper. Good touch of salt, and finally some oregano, basil and thyme. Make sure to crush it. Now give this a really good mix and set aside for later use. I'm using here a full chicken. You want to turn the chicken around so the breast side is down, and we're going to spatchcock the chicken. Normally you would remove the backbone, but I'm just going to leave it there and cut through the chicken. And then you want to turn the chicken around, and with the help of your hand push it down. This method will ensure our chicken cooks a bit faster. Now what I did with the chicken was a dry brine there. I added some salt on there and left it in the fridge. You don't have to do this, but I think it just makes a bit of difference. I'm going to turn the chicken around again. I'm going to add some oil on there. The oil is going to act as a binder. Now let's add our seasoning. Be generous with the seasoning, don't be shy. And now turn the chicken around. Again, add some oil on there. Give it a massage. And finally, we're gonna finish it with some more seasoning on this side. Now, some people are overly obsessed with cleaning their chicken. They will remove every single fat layer and, just make it naked completely. It's okay to leave some fat on there. It doesn't have to be 100%. Alright, the chicken looks great. Let's roast this. As we know, energy costs are skyrocketing. With air fryers, you can save up to 55% on your energy bills compared to convection ovens. I want to talk about Kasori's Light Smart Air Fryer, who have kindly sponsored this video. With its compact design, the air fryer is suitable for a small kitchen and helps to save your space. There are multiple colors to choose from. This one is truffle grey. The sensors offer for more precise temperature control, making the food evenly browned. And it creates a crispy exterior while keeping the inside juicy. It also offers 7 one-touch functions, so you can start cooking straight away, or you can adjust the time and temperature to suit your needs. The free V-Sync app lets you remotely control the air fryer and monitor cooking progress. In addition, you get access to over 140 recipes by Kasori chefs on the V-Sync app, so you basically never run out of cooking inspiration. Great thing is, besides common air fryer recipes, the app also have recipes for pet treats. Overall, I love the compact and modern design of this air fryer. Also, the one-touch food presets are game-changing. So if you're looking for a healthy frying option and want to save money on your energy bills, then check out the Kasori Light Smart Air Fryer. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you Kasori for sponsoring this video. And I place the chicken into the air fryer. I'm just gonna add a touch of oil on there. And now you want to air fry this at 180 Celsius for at least 45 to 50 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius, which is roughly around 165 Fahrenheit. And make sure to flip the chicken after 35 minutes or so. Now for our crispy croutons, with a chopped baguette, season with a touch of salt and some of our seasoning mix. Drizzle of oil. Mix and bake this in the oven until nice and crispy. For the vinaigrette, in with the mustard vinegar. Add some olive oil. And finally a pinch of salt and pepper. Now give this a really good mix and adjust any seasoning if you need to. Now that's your basic vinaigrette. If you want, you could flavor with some honey, some garlic. Have a little taste of amazing vinaigrette. Done. For the salad, you want to slice in some cucumber. Roughly chop the lettuce. And some tomatoes. And with your lettuce, have a cucumber and some of this red leaf lettuce, spinach, rocket, red chard, bull's blood and some of these fresh herbs. And finally our mixed tomatoes. You want to give this a mix when just about to serve. And we're also going to add some croutons to that and serve it with some dressing. And with your fries, Squeeze in some fresh garlic if you like. And with some of this truffle. And with our seasoning mix, some fresh coriander in there. And with the Italian cheese. And a good pinch of salt. Now give this a really good mix. Our garlic cheese fries. Done. I will taste. Alright guys, let's plate this up with your chicken. Make sure to let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes, once it's cooked. And with our fresh salad. Our garlic cheese fries. Some of the sauce. And finally I like to add some smoke on the chicken. Adds a bit of tanginess, A bit of the sourness that we are looking for. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's try our fries first. Bismillah. The amazing garlic, the cheese. And you can taste a bit of the truffle in there. And the coriander adds an amazing flavor. Alright, let's try our chicken now. Bismillah. The chicken is so flavorful and juicy. Let's try our salad with some of that dressing. Bismillah. So nice and fresh, and it goes amazing with the chicken. That was an amazing dish. I really enjoyed it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.